Hello students, let us discuss nucleophile and electrophile. Okay, so in last video already we are discussing the fundamental concepts in reaction mechanism. So already we came to know what is the substrate, reagent, and already we came to know what are the intermediates. Here we are discussing the three types of intermediates, that is carbon with a positive charge called carbocation, carbon with a negative charge called carbanion, and carbon with the one electron is called as about free radicals. And in that already we came to know methyl carbocation, primary, secondary, tertiary carbocation, isn't it, like a carbanion and free radical also discussed. Now we have the next terminology, that is called as about nucleophile. Now what is a nucleophile and what is the electrophile means here? So nucleophile means what? A reagent that brings an electron pair, that is nucleus seeking, and the reaction is then called nucleophilic. Means what? Simply means, for example, here the electron rich compound, here you can see, here OH minus means hydroxide having the what? Negative charge. Cl minus means what? Negative charge. Okay. Along with that, here we have some fragments having the lone pair of electrons. Okay. Here you can see carbanions, nothing but having the negative charge, and water, as you know very well, and water we have two lone pairs, and we have the amine, tertiary amine, secondary amines. Okay. So simply negatively charged fragment is called as a nucleophile, that we are going to show as a Nu minus. Okay. So that is a nucleophile. Now what is the electrophile means what? Here we are going to symbol with the E plus. Okay. Here. So a reagent that takes away an electron pair, nothing but that is electron seeking, and the reaction is called electrophilic. Means here, so here if you see, here we are talking the word electron rich. Electron rich means, so electron, here what? Electron rich. Okay. Here you see the OH minus, Cl minus, Rc minus. Okay. These are what? Electron rich compounds. So here they are going to bring the electron towards the what? Any substrate. So that's why it's calling as a what? Nucleophile. Now electrophile means what here? Okay, electrophile means, as you know very well, they are what? Positive charge. Having the positive charge means electron they need. So a reagent that takes away electron pair, means they are taking the electron from the away from the substrate. Okay, are simply electron seeking, mean nothing but they need the electron, so they are taking the electron means what? They are searching for the electron. So that fragment is called about electrophile, and the reaction is called electrophilic. Okay, for example, here if you see, okay, already here we have some examples. Here you can see examples what? Including carbocation. Carbocation means having the what? Positive charge. Once a positive charge means what? It is a electron deficient. Next, here we have carbonyl group. In this carbonyl group means what? Here we have structure like this. Okay, this is a functional group. So in this what happened? Because of more electronegativity of oxygen atom, the electrons are shifting towards oxygen. So here what happened? So once electron shifting means carbon going to get the positive charge and oxygen going to get the negative charge. Okay. So now this is acting as a what? Electrophile. And here we have the alkyl halides like R3CX means what here? For example, if you take a here methyl iodide, okay, you can for R3X means I'm taking the only for methyl iodide, okay. So if you see the bond here in between these two, iodine has the more electronegativity than that of the methyl group. So it is taking the electron towards it. So you are going to get the positive charge on the carbon and negative charge on the iodine. So now this is a what? Electrophile. So this is what? That is a reagent that takes away electron pair. Now it is what? It needs the electron and taking the away electron. So that which is called as a what? Electrophile. We are going to show with the symbol what? E plus. Here during a polar organic reactions, a nucleophile attacks an electrophilic center of the substrate, which is that specific atom or part of the electrophile that is electron deficient. Similarly, the electrophiles attack at a nucleophilic center, which is the electron rich center of the substrate. What is the meaning of here means? For example, I am taking we have the ethylene. Okay, this is the ethylene. Okay, in this what happened here? in presence of reagent, for example, Br2 is there, okay. The pi bond is shifted to this carbon atom and labeling as a 1 and 2, okay. So once it is labeled here, if it's one is going to shift means, as you know very well, first carbon going to get the what positive charge and second carbon going to get the negative charge, okay. So now this bromine is having the what polar means it's for example it's having the Br plus and Br minus. Actually we have different mechanism, but for the sake of understanding I'm telling like this. So here if you see here, this is our substrate, okay. This is a substrate. I'm talking about the ethylene as a what substrate. Now this is a bromine is a what reagent, okay. Bromine is a reagent. So now what happened here during polar organic reaction? Polar organic reaction means what? There is a formation of carbocation and carbanion intermediates. Now here you can see here we are going to form some carbocation carbanion intermediates. A nucleophile attacks an electrophilic center, okay. Here we have the electrophile, nucleophile, electrophilic center, okay. Four words are there. So already you came to know what is a electrophile, what is a nucleophile. Now we are discussing electrophilic center, nucleophilic center, okay. Now so nucleophile attacks an electrophilic center means this is our what nucleophile, okay. Now this nucleophile going to attack in what here. So this is the electrophile having the positive charge reagent called electrophile. It is going to attack on the what? Once a positive charge means it is going to attack on the negative charge, okay. Positive will attack the negative. So this is a what? This is the here nucleophile attack on this is the electrophilic center. This one is what? Electrophilic center, okay. So which is a specific atom or part of the electrophile that is the electron deficient. Nothing but here this is a what? This positive charge, this is a positive charge going to attack at the negative charge. Nothing but this is the electrophile. I'm talking about this is the electrophile. Here I make it correction. I will go for the repeat. Here we have the okay C double bond, okay, in presence of bromine. So what happened? The electron shifted to this carbon, first second. So this first carbon going to get the one positive charge and second carbon going to get the negative charge, okay. So here you have the Br minus and Br. This is Br minus, this is the Br plus, okay. This is about negative charge mean acting as a nucleophile. This nucleophile will attack the positive charge. This positive charge is called as about electrophilic center, okay. Okay. Now this is a nucleophile negative charge and in the substrate this is called as a what? Electrophilic center. Right? Philic means what? Like it is going to attract the electron. Okay. Next similarly electrophile. Here bromine having the positive charge means called as a what? Electrophile. So similarly the electrophile attack at nucleophilic center. Now this and the substrate having the negative charge that is called by nucleophilic center, which is the electron rich center of the substrate. So once a negative charge is there means what? It is a electron rich. So you should be very careful in the question. Are they asking electrophile, nucleophile or electrophilic center or nucleophilic center, okay. The electrophilic center and nucleophilic center we are searching in the what? In the substrate. In electrophile and nucleophile means you have to focus on the what? Reagent.